Hey everyone, welcome back to the CopQuest YouTube channel. My name is David. I'm the manager of agency sales, and today we've got another awesome video for you. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Let's talk about the all-new Streamlight MegaStream USB. This is a tiny yet very, very powerful light. So on high, it's putting out 1800 lumens. Bring that right there so you can see 1800. That is phenomenal for a light that is the size of this box. So stay tuned, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. But first, before we do that, I just want to read some of the key features that they have listed on the side. First off, it uses a SLB34 lithium ion battery and puts out 26,000 candela. This one is rechargeable via a hidden USB-C charge port behind a sleeve that pulls back. And we'll see that momentarily when I pull the MegaStream out of the box. Okay, so as a tip, the back right here, sometimes it's a little hard to open these. And if you were a collector like I am, I like to try and keep my boxes as nice as possible. So a tip on how to open it: take a knife and gently pry this open so that you can open up the box. All right, let's dump everything out and then we'll evaluate and see what we've got. So first off, we've got the paperwork that comes with every Streamlight flashlight. Tells you the operating instructions and if you have any issues about the warranty that comes with it. Now I'm gonna set that off to the side. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh, nice sticker. I like stickers, so this is nice. Then what else do we have here? Little insert, Streamlight Strong. And oh, it's just a little advertisement for a couple of the other fantastic lights that they produce. And then again, it's got their information. So if you have any warranty issues, you can reach out to Streamlight. We are a Streamlight dealer, so we can do the normal warranty in exchanges within 30 days. Anything past that, you may have to reach out to Streamlight. So moving on, you get a nice little nylon holder. This is great. You know, you got to be able to carry your flashlight, and then to put it onto a belt or a MOLLE vest, it's a nice loop. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the MegaStream. I skipped over the cord on purpose because this is a great USB-C cord, and I'll show you where that goes momentarily. But anyway, on the side itself, you've got all the information. So Streamlight, MegaStream, USB, serial number, and then it tells you that it's patent. This particular one was made in March of 2025. I just know the date code on there. Now for operation, you've got your one button in the back here. Let's see. There we go. So nice high output there. All right. Then if you wanted to switch, do a double tap. That should put out medium. And then if you want to go low, a triple tap. So on medium, you're putting out 500 lumens, and then low is going to be 150 lumens. So this is great. As you go lower, you're gonna have more runtime. Me personally, I'm gonna keep this running at high. I like the output. This is a great output of 1800 lumens. There we go. It has a good distance of 322 meters on high, or 170 meters on medium, and then 92 meters on low. Let's take a look at the battery. So pulling this back, it's going to expose the charging port. So it's the USB-C port on the battery itself. Now let me pull that closer so you can see. There you are. So the cool thing is you can charge this flashlight while the battery is in, or let's say you have a second battery and you need to pull this one out, you can charge that separate and then throw a fresh one in. SLB34. It is a nice size battery. It's going to be similar to an 18650 size. You're putting out 35 milliamps, so it's got some good output. If you pull this battery out to charge it, cool little feature is maybe hard to see on the battery itself. So I'm going to show you the side of the package that talks about the battery charging. There's actually a light that emits out of here, and it's red for when it's charging and green for when it is charged. So there we go. So if you pull the battery out to charge it, you're going to have a red light shown when it is charging, and then once the battery is fully charged, a green light will emit. Okay, so a cool thing to know. And then as far as inserting the battery into the light, it's actually keyed a certain way. So what I mean by that is if you just happen to drop that in and then you close the tail cap on. Let's see. Oh, I got it first time. All right. So what I was going to say is if you're not careful, let me open this up again. If you're not careful, let's try that. There we go. You may end up with the USB port not showing where it needs to be. And yes, you'd be able to close the flashlight by putting the tail cap on, but then you're not going to be able to activate the light. The pocket clip on here is removable. If you wanted to, you could take that off. I personally like leaving the clip on there. So my everyday carry is another Streamlight. This is the MegaStream, so the little brother to the MegaStream, and I have the belt clip on there. So very useful, very nice flashlight, very bright at 1800 lumens, and we're gonna go do a little demonstration. So stay tuned and let's check that out. That was high, medium, low. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our informational video. If you could, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we love putting out great content for you. If you're interested in picking up any of the items we discussed, links for everything are going to be down below. Be safe and talk to you later.